Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dani. Oh, I do this afterwards. I do that afterwards. Let's do this. Yeah. Sidebar before we get into this tutorial. The giveaway. Don't be like me and be an idiot gal and work on your YouTube while you're half awake in the middle of the night. I uploaded a video by accident and I just kept it there because I kept a promise, and a promise is a promise, and God said you're taking too long, so he uploaded it for me. Giveaway requirements. So there are 3 prizes. You guys did an amazing job in my last giveaway. I did the subscriber count to 2,000, and you guys said cute 15, and I said, oh, sorry, I thought small. God said 2,000 is really cute, but I'm gonna give you 15,000, and you guys did that in the span of a week. I don't know how it happened, but you did it. The first level unlocks my skincare routine. Level 2, that unlocks $500, and level 3, free Chris Brown tickets. May the best stinker bank win. Let's get into this eyebrow tutorial. So my brows are the easiest part of my makeup routine. The tools that you're going to need, this is the Brow Lift Applicator from e.l.f. It has like a spatula at the end, and then it has a spoolie. A brow pen. This is the one that I use. It's from SHEGLAM and has a little pin there. This is the shade Chocolate. Then you're going to need some type of brow gel. I use Got To Be. You're going to need a concealer. This is the one that I use. It's in 50 Cafè by Fit Me, and a little triangle sponge. I like using these sponges because I can throw them away after. I don't like using beauty blenders. Bacteria. So, all right, step 1. The first step would be laminating my brows. Just brush them out really thoroughly. And I'm going to use the spatula just to take a little bit of the Got To Be. And I'm going to put the product all over my brows. And then I'm going to use the spoolie to mold them how I want them. So I first go up this way to get the few hairs at the front to stand up like that. And then I hold it at an angle. And then I just brush this way. And then I'm going to use my finger and just push down. You can use a spatula part, but I just use my finger because I find it more effective because I can still push the hairs in the direction that I want them to be in. They should look like that. So they look like normal. That's how I want them to look. I'm going to do the next one. So I'm going to go upwards, the front part. Okay, and then the rest, I'm going to push on an angle. And I'm going to take my finger and press down on it. Not too hard, because it'll start to rub off. Okay, so I want it to look like that. See that residue? I don't want that there because if I leave the residue of the Got To Be that's not on my brows, it's going to lift my foundation or any cream or liquid product I put on it after I put powder. So once I put cream, it'll be weird, but once I put the powder, you'll be able to see this, and I don't want that. And I'm just going to rub away anything outside of my brows so there isn't any residue when I put on my cream and powder products. Okay, so it should look like that. Sometimes if I'm feeling lazy, I will literally just leave my brows like this and do my makeup around it, and I do like that light fluffy look. But for today, I'm going to fill in my brows as if I would do it on an everyday basis. So now you're going to take the pen. I like using this because it mimics fine hairs, and I have fine hair all over my body, including my eyebrows. I have a little gap in between my brows, and I like to bring it closer a little bit. I'm going to use a mirror because I'm legally blind and I want to see each hair. So I start at the front of the brow and I just add hair strokes. Okay, like that. I don't want it to go too far in because I want it to stop like right here at the bridge of my nose, and same thing over here. Then I'm going to go to the back. We had an accident as a kitty and I have a little scar there, so I like to cover my scar. And all you're doing is just filling in like little gaps that you see. You don't want to go too crazy because you want to still keep your natural eyebrow shape. Okay, so that's what I want the brow to look like. This is my other brow. This is the brow that I want it to look like. Let me go back here a little bit. Okay, and then now we're going to do the next eyebrow. Okay, so that's how I want them to look. The next step would be my skincare routine. I'm going to do that quickly off camera because it's in no reference or correlation to my brow routine. So I'm just going to do that really quickly and be right back. Now I'm going to conceal my brows. It looks good. I always do the bottom first. Okay, bottom looks good, so I'm going to go to the top now. Okay, that looks good to me. Then I'm going to put some in the middle and then just fan it out a little bit. This is now when we're going to use our sponge and you just gently blend everything out, all the rough edges. So once the edges are blended out the way I like them, I'm going to go in the middle now and just hold a sponge directly like this, straight up, and just keep patting. Keep patting, don't move anywhere, just keep patting until it bends out. Okay, like that. Then I'm gonna go on an angle, so like this. And I'm going to kind of make the front of them like an ombre, so it's not too harsh. Do the same thing on this side. And that's it. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup off camera and come right back. And we're done. This is how I do my updated brow routine. I love this brow routine right now. It's so easy. It's kind of the same as the other one. The only thing that's different is the brow pencil. I was using a pencil before, now I'm using a pen. I feel like the pen looks a lot better than the pencil. That's just my preference. I hope it was easy to follow. Everything is drugstore, which happened to be by fluke because I actually use these products on a daily basis when I'm doing my makeup and my clients' makeup. Everything is going to be linked in the description box below for you. Again, the giveaway, I made it very easy, the questions. So I don't want to hear nothing. Okay, here are the requirements. Everything is going to be in this video. You're going to enter in this video as well that I'm going to post here for you. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe and share with someone who's looking for a very simple, easy brow tutorial. I love and appreciate every single one of you, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.